How to remove creator account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove creator account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove creator account on Instagram, let's say that you open the Instagram application, you have a creator account, right? The reason I can tell this is because I can see all the professional dashboard and tools that are available for a creator on Instagram. Let's say you want to switch back to a normal personal account that you have. To do so, what you need to do is tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you simply want to come to settings. Once you come to settings, scroll and then look for this option known as account. Once you go to this option called account, scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find switch account type. Tap on it. You can just select switch to personal account if you want to, or you can also switch to business account if you still want to have the professional tools available. But in this case, I'll just go to this option known as switch to personal account, and after I switch to personal account, the creator account will be removed and I'll be switched back to my normal Instagram account as I had before. This way I can remove creator account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.